Hello kids, today we will do next sound of O. So let's start. Open your English reader book at page number 8. This is a long vowel sound O, says oo. B, U, K, book. V, U, L, wool. F, U, D, food. M, U, N, moon. R, U, M, room. S, T, U, L, stool. H, U, K, hook. B, U, T, boot. P, U, L, pool. H, U, P, hoop. K, U, L, cool. L, U, K, look. D, U, M, doom. P, U, A, poor. Here R sound is A. I speak again. P, U, A, poor. V, U, D, wood. N, U, K, nook. F, U, L, fool. R, U, S, T, roost. P, U, L, pool. T, U, K, took. N, U, N, noon. S, U, T, suit. H, U, D, hood. G, U, D, good. D, R, U, L, drool. T, U, T, toot. So revise it at your home. Thanks. Have a nice day.